Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, DRDO unveils MUT capabilities, that is manned unmanned teaming capabilities for upcoming TEDBF fighter jet. DRDO has provided further insights into the future of the upcoming twin-engine deck-based fighter program, emphasizing its manned unmanned teaming, that is MUMT, capabilities. This 26-ton deck-based fighter, often referred to as fifth minus generation category aircraft, is set to replace the Russian MiG-29K fighter jets on Indian aircraft carrier. Next, first AESA-Based PR, that is primary radar for AEW&C Mk2 program. DRDO is set to receive the first AESA-based primary radar with long range for the AFW&C Mk2 program by mid-2022. 24. DRDO will soon commence integration work on the 6 Airbus A321 aircraft that were acquired from Air India before it was sold to Tata Group. Next, export order for advanced defense simulators, that is ADS. Hyderabad-based Zen Technologies has made a significant breakthrough in the export market, securing a 42 crore order for advanced defense simulators. This notable achievement comes on the heels of a 100 crore order received from the Ministry of Defense in October for the company's advanced tank training system. Next, South Africa to host BRICS summit on Israel-Hamas war today. South Africa will host a virtual summit of the BRICS group of nations, including Russian President Vladimir Putin, to discuss the Israel-Hamas war, Pretoria and Moscow said today. The BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa, are a group of major emerging economies seeking to reshape the US and Western-led global order. Next, LSAM-10 Yard 78 launched. The launch of missile-cum-ammunition barge LSAM-10, the fourth barge of 8 missile-cum-ammunition barge project built by MSME Shipyard, Messrs. Sikon Engineering Projects Private Limited, Visakhapatnam for Indian Navy, was undertaken on 20th November 23rd at Gutna East Godavari, Andhra Pradesh, launch site of Messrs. SEPPL. The launching ceremony was presided over by Commander Shan Mugam Sabesan, CRO East. Next, ordering more Hermes 900 after conclusion of Tapas Trials. In a strategic move to bolster its defense capabilities, the Indian government in March of this year placed an emergency procurement order for Albit Systems Hermes 900 Starliner unmanned aircraft system. The order aimed at enhancing the reconnaissance and surveillance capabilities of the Indian Army and Indian Navy, reflects India's commitment to leveraging advanced technology for national security. Next, Navy to get INS Shishumar submarine. The Indian Navy is set to enhance its submarine fleet with the completion of the medium refit with life certification for the subsurface killer SSK class submarine. INS Shishumar Sanjeev Singhal, the Director of Finance of Mazagon Dock Shipyard Limited, recently confirmed that the retrofitting process for INS Shishumar is expected to concluded by the end of this year. Next, Anna University develops drones capable of flying 50 kg payload. The Anna University is making significant stride in the realm of drone technology, developing drones capable of carrying a payload of up to 50 kg for the Indian Army. This breakthrough in unmanned aerial vehicles capabilities is poised to revolutionize logistical operations, enabling the swift delivery of critical supplies to armed forces stationed in the challenging terrains, including high-altitude regions. Next. And Naval's anti-ship missile test fired successfully. DRDO and the Indian Navy successfully conducted a record flight test of an indigenously developed naval anti-ship missile launched from a naval helicopter from the integrated test range Chandipur off the coast of Odisha on November 21st. The mission met all the objectives. Next. BMD and S-400 have made Pakistan's Rad and Babur cruise missiles ineffective. Think tank. India's ballistic missile defense system poses a significant challenge to Pakistan air defense capabilities, according to a new report by the International Institute for Strategic Studies. The report, titled The Military Balance 2023, states that India's two-tiered ballistic missile defense system, comprising the Prithvi Air Defense Vehicle and the Ashwin Advanced Air Defense Interceptors, present an immediate challenge to Pakistan's ability to penetrate Indian airspace. Thank you.